Hawaii's Haiku Stairs, also known as the quote stairway to heaven, has sparked controversy again after 14 people were arrested for illegally accessing the site on Oahu. The 4,000 steep trail, built during World War II and closed since 1987, remains a dangerous and restricted area. Officials warn that unsanctioned hikes pose severe safety risks and strain on local resources. Despite efforts to dismantle the stairs due to trespassing and safety concerns, its popularity on social media continues, CNN has reported. A local group is challenging the $2.5 million removal, with partial deconstruction halted by a court injunction earlier this year.